Today I am going to talk about probability in business statistics. Probability helps us measure how likely an event is to happen. We use probability in everyday life, for example, in business decisions, games, and risk analysis. In this presentation, I will explain basic probability rules using simple examples. In the first problem, we have a jar with jelly beans of different colors. One jelly bean is chosen at random. Each color represents a possible outcome. To find probability, we divide the number of jelly beans of one color by the total number of jelly beans. The general formula for probability is very simple. Probability equals favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. For example, if there are 26 blue jelly beans out of 150 total, the probability of choosing a blue one is 26 divided by 150. This method is used in all basic probability problems. In this problem, we work with cards and dice. A standard deck has 52 cards and half of them are red, so the probability of drawing a red card is 26 out of 52. For dice, each number from 1 to 6 has the same chance because the die is fair. Here we see a color wheel where each section is equal in size. That means each section has the same probability. To find the probability of landing on a color, we count how many sections have that color and divide by total sections. This is another example of equally likely outcomes. This slide shows a Venn diagram with events A and B. The sample points are equally likely. To find P of A, we count how many points are inside circle A and divide by the total number of points in the sample space. The same logic is used to find PB. When two dice are thrown, there are 36 possible outcomes. Event A is when the sum is 6. Event B is when at least one die shows 3. We use the sample space to find unions and intersections of events. This helps us understand combined probabilities. When events are not mutually exclusive, we use the addition rule. The formula is P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. We subtract the intersection to avoid counting it twice. This rule is very important in business statistics. Two events are independent if one does not affect the other. For independent events, the probability of both happening is P of A multiplied by P of B. If this rule does not work, then the events are not independent. This concept is used often in testing and decision-making. Conditional probability means the probability of one event given that another event already happened. The formula is P of A and B equals P of B given A times P of A. These problems use real-life examples like sports and education. Conditional probability helps us analyze dependent events.